Welcome back to our channel. Finding the perfect gift for the men in your life can be a challenge, especially when you're looking for something both high quality and affordable. Whether it's for a birthday, holiday, or just because, we've rounded up the top 7 gifts that fit the bill. From stylish accessories to practical tools, these selections are sure to impress without breaking the bank. Let's dive into these fantastic gift ideas. Number 1. Nautica Voyage Eau de Toilette. First on our list is the Nautica Voyage Eau de Toilette. This fragrance is a perfect blend of freshness and sophistication, making it an excellent gift for any man. The scent opens with invigorating top notes of apple and green leaf, giving a crisp and refreshing start. As it develops, the fragrance reveals a heart of lotus and mimosa, providing a subtle floral touch that is not overpowering. The base notes of cedarwood, musk, and amber add a warm, masculine finish that lingers pleasantly throughout the day. The Nautica Voyage is housed in a sleek, nautical-inspired bottle that reflects the fragrance's maritime theme. Its design is both modern and classic, fitting comfortably in the hand and making it a stylish addition to any grooming collection. This eau de toilette is ideal for everyday wear, offering a versatile scent that works well for both casual and formal occasions. Its affordable price point combined with its high-quality formulation makes it a standout choice for a thoughtful gift. In addition to its pleasing fragrance, Nautica Voyage is known for its longevity. A few spritzes can last through a busy day, ensuring the recipient always smells great. If you're looking for a gift that combines elegance and practicality, Nautica Voyage is an excellent choice that will surely be appreciated.
Still wasting money on ads that get ignored? Let influencers tell your story. Promotional Pact connects your e-com brand to the right niche influencer to reach your target audience. Get more sales with less spent. Link in description.
Number 2. Under Armour Men's Tech 2.0 T-shirt. Next up is the Under Armour Men's Tech 2.0 T-shirt, a versatile and practical gift for any active man. This T-shirt is crafted from Under Armour's signature tech fabric, which is designed to wick sweat away from the body, keeping the wearer cool and dry during workouts. The fabric is lightweight and breathable, making it ideal for both intense exercise and casual wear. The Tech 2.0 T-shirt features a classic fit that provides comfort without being too loose or too tight. Its design includes a tag-free neck for added comfort and a slightly curved hem to ensure it stays in place during movement. The shirt is also available in a variety of colors, allowing you to choose a shade that fits the recipient's style. Durability is another key feature of this T-shirt. The fabric is resistant to wear and tear, ensuring it maintains its shape and performance even after multiple washes. For a gift that combines function with style, the Under Armour Tech 2.0 T-shirt is a solid choice. It's perfect for men who lead an active lifestyle or simply appreciate high-quality, comfortable clothing. Number 3. Michael Kors Oversized Slim Runway Men's Watch. Number 3 on our list is the Michael Kors Oversized Slim Runway Men's Watch. This timepiece is a perfect blend of elegance and modern design. The watch features a sleek, oversized face with a minimalist design that exudes sophistication. The dial is simple yet striking, with clear hour markers and hands that make it easy to read at a glance. The watch's case is made of stainless steel, providing both durability and a polished look. The slim profile ensures that it is lightweight and comfortable to wear, making it suitable for everyday use. The Michael Kors Oversized Slim Runway Watch also features a quartz movement known for its accuracy and reliability. Its versatility makes it a great accessory for both formal and casual outfits. Whether dressing up for a special occasion or wearing it with a more relaxed ensemble, this watch adds a touch of class. With its stylish design and high-quality craftsmanship, it makes for a memorable gift that combines function with fashion. Number 4. Isner Mile Beard Kit for Men. At number 4, we have the Isner Mile Beard Kit for Men. This comprehensive grooming set is designed for men who take pride in their beard care. The kit includes a range of essential tools and products, including a beard brush, beard comb, beard oil, and beard balm. Each item is carefully selected to help maintain and enhance the appearance of a beard. The beard oil is enriched with natural ingredients like argan oil and jojoba oil, which help to moisturize the beard and skin underneath, reducing itchiness and promoting healthy growth. The Beard Balm provides added control and styling, allowing for a well-groomed and polished look. The brush and comb are designed to detangle and style the beard, ensuring it remains neat and manageable. All the items in the Isner Mile Beard Kit are packed in a stylish gift box, making it an excellent choice for a present. The quality and variety of products included in the kit make it a practical gift for men who value grooming and personal care. If you're looking for a thoughtful and useful gift, this beard kit is a top contender. Number 5. HORUSDY Magnetic Wristband. Number 5 is the HORUSDY Magnetic Wristband, a practical and innovative tool for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. This wristband is equipped with multiple powerful magnets embedded in its fabric, allowing users to keep screws, nails, and other small metallic tools securely in place. This feature is particularly useful for those who frequently work on projects where having hands-free access to tools and fasteners can make a big difference. The wristband is made from durable and breathable materials, ensuring comfort even during extended use. Its adjustable strap allows for a snug fit on various wrist sizes, making it suitable for a wide range of users. The design is also optimized for convenience with multiple pockets and compartments to hold different types of tools and fasteners. In addition to its practicality, the HORUSDY Magnetic Wristband is also a great gift for anyone who enjoys working on home improvement projects or assembling furniture. It's a simple yet effective tool that enhances productivity and efficiency. For those who appreciate useful gadgets that make their work easier, this wristband is a valuable and thoughtful gift. Number 6. ThxToms LED Flashlight Gloves. Coming in at number 6 are the ThxToms LED Flashlight Gloves. These innovative gloves are designed for hands-free lighting, making them perfect for a variety of tasks such as repairing, camping, or nighttime activities. Each glove is equipped with 2 bright LED lights positioned on the index finger and thumb, providing illumination exactly where it's needed. The gloves are made from a blend of comfortable and stretchable materials, ensuring a snug fit while allowing for full dexterity. The LED lights are powered by small, replaceable batteries that are easy to access and replace. The gloves also feature adjustable straps to ensure they stay securely in place during use. These LED flashlight gloves are not only practical, but also a fun and unique gift idea. They provide a practical solution for working in low light conditions and can be used in a wide range of situations. If you're looking for a gift that combines functionality with innovation, the ThxToms LED flashlight gloves are a great choice. Number 7. HEETA Waterproof Dry Bag. Last but not least is the HEETA Waterproof Dry Bag. This versatile and durable dry bag is designed to keep your belongings safe and dry in a variety of conditions. Whether you're going on a camping trip, hitting the beach, or engaging in water sports, this dry bag ensures that your gear stays protected from water, dust, and dirt. The bag is made from high-quality, water-resistant materials that are designed to withstand harsh conditions. It features a roll-top closure that creates a watertight seal, ensuring that no water can enter the bag. The adjustable shoulder straps and handle make it easy to carry, while the lightweight design ensures that it's comfortable to use. In addition to its practical features, the HEETA Waterproof Dry Bag comes in various sizes to suit different needs, making it a versatile addition to any outdoor gear collection. Its affordability combined with its high-quality construction makes it an excellent gift for anyone who enjoys outdoor activities or needs reliable protection for their belongings. And that wraps up our list of the top 7 best male gifts that are both high quality and affordable. Whether you're shopping for a friend, family member, or even yourself, these gifts offer a great blend of practicality, style, and value. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more reviews and gift ideas. Drop a comment below with your favorite gift from the list or any other suggestions you have. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.